Hello guys, how are you? Did you enjoy watching the previous video? What do you think of it? What did you like about it? Let us know in the comments. Also, have you followed us on Instagram? The ID is in description. Don't forget to do it. You'll like it there, I'm sure. Where do you think we're going today? Before we begin, hit the like and subscribe our channel. We appreciate your support. Now, let's get into it. You know, I was just thinking to myself how many people would enjoy walking. Like, generally, who likes taking a walk? Like in a park or for a couple blocks from their home. I personally have always loved walking. Calms my head. Ever since I was a student, whenever things got hard, I would have just put on a jacket and leave the house to walk. To breathe and to step on the ground. Look around, see life, see all these people that have their own lives. It's wonderful to be able to do that. So, if you're not doing it on a regular basis, give it a try. With or without headphones. Just go outside. Whether it's raining or it's sunny, just feel the life. Embrace it. Anyway, for today, where do you think we're headed? It's called Homu. Do you know anything about it? Write it in the comments. It's one of the oldest streets of Tehran. Maybe for more than 50 years. It's the main source for men's suit. You can find any kind of suits for any taste. The thing is, the prices here are so reasonable than buying suits from other shopping centers. You know, it makes no sense then. It's a short street located in District 12 of Tehran. It starts from Imam Khomeini's Square till Sur Israfil Street. There are 2 holy shrines there as well. The thing that makes it more interesting is its old architecture that still remains and is a sight to see. As I have mentioned, this street is mostly for men's suit. Like, it's the most famous place for that matter. But it's not just that. It has restaurants and there are like halls with small stores that prepare food. You know, like deli shops. People usually do not walk away from this area. You can't leave without tasting a corn or eating a snack. There are old cinemas there, more like theater, and people gather here to spend time together. People are usually here till midnight, so the shops, especially restaurants, are open till late. You can get here with subway. Just remember to get off on Imam Khomeini station. I think if you're into history or architecture, this place could be very interesting to you. You can get ideas from the buildings and make your own projects. Anyway, that's pretty much what I had in mind. All the love, Travel Buddies.
یه مغازه تموم شدن. یه منو
غذا حاضره.
عزیزه
حاضره